Pep up your English vocabulary. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a vibrant English phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Pep up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. Pep up is a phrasal verb that means to make something more lively, energetic, or exciting. Think about how you feel after a cup of coffee or a short, refreshing nap. If you feel more awake, energetic, or in high spirits, you can say the coffee or nap pepped you up. Understanding any phrase becomes easier with examples. So, let's go through a few. 1. The party was dull until the DJ played some dance music to pep things up. In this example, the dance music made the party more lively and energetic. 2. Can you give me some ideas to pep up my presentation? It seems a bit boring. Here, the person is asking for suggestions to make their presentation more interesting. 3. She put some colorful cushions on the sofa to pep up the living room. Adding colorful cushions made the living room look more vibrant and inviting. Knowing synonyms or words that have similar meanings can help you remember and understand the phrase better. Some synonyms for pep up are revitalize, energize, rejuvenate, stimulate. And there you have it. Now you know what pep up means, how to use it in sentences, and some synonyms to expand your vocabulary. Always remember, the best way to learn is by practicing. So, try using pep up in your conversations today. Until next time, keep pepping up your English.